This is the brief on the postmodern interpretation of wisdom and justice. All right, so get this. Our sources really dig into how Sophia, that ancient idea of wisdom, gets this total postmodern flip. And it seriously messes with how we usually think about fixed things like justice, injustice, punishment, and reward. It kind of shakes everything up. So, what are the key takeaways here? First off, forget wisdom being just one single thing. Postmodernism says Sophia is polysemic. Basically, it's got layers, multiple meanings, sometimes even clashing ones. Think about it. Historically, Sophia went from being about practical skills to like a divine co-creator, even this flawed world maker in some old beliefs. It shows wisdom isn't some set truth, right? It really depends on the time and place, the context. Second, how we see justice and injustice, that changes big time. Modern thinking was like, justice is the universal goal. But postmodernism, it sees both justice and injustice as created by discourse, the language and systems we use that shape what things mean. So injustice isn't just a mistake to fix. Often it's woven right into how power works. It creates this dead end, making perfect, universal justice pretty much impossible. And finally, punishment and reward. We're moving way past just divine judgment here. Postmodernism, especially thinking about the philosopher Michel Foucault, sees these as tools, disciplinary technologies of power. Think of them as social constructs that institutions use to kind of keep people in line, enforce the norms. So wisdom becomes more like a group project, and consequences reflect how well society's working together, not some absolute moral score. So yeah, this whole postmodern view gives us a really dynamic way to see how truth, ethics, and all our social rules are constantly being argued over and remade.